Namaste and welcome to Madhu's Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy homemade remedy for cough and cold. Here are the ingredients. For one person we need 1/4 spoon of peppercorn, 1/4 spoon of cloves, 1 piece of ginger, a small piece is good enough, and 1 spoon of honey. Today I'm going to show you for 4 people. For 4 people we need 1 spoon of peppercorn, 1 spoon of cloves, 4 pieces of ginger and 4 spoons of honey. Here is the process. Add the peppercorn, the cloves and make it into a fine powder. Now add the ginger and smash it into a fine paste. This is what we are looking for. Now divide them into 4 equal parts and add honey for all of them. You can add more honey if you think it's a bit spicy. This home remedy is very good for kids too. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you like my video, please like it and share it. Thank you for watching.